In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CSV or XLSX to Trello full 2025 guide. First, make sure you're on the Trello board where you want the new cards to appear and that you have permission to add power-ups. The importer feature is included with certain Trello plans, and if you're starting from an Excel file, save or export it as a CSV before you begin so Trello can read it cleanly. Open your board and head to the menu in the top right. Choose power-ups, then search for CSV importer. Add it to the board. If your plan already includes it, you'll see it available right away. Once it's enabled, look for the Import CSV option and click it to open the import window. Now upload your file. Click Upload File and choose your CSV. Trello will scan the file and display your columns so you can map them to Trello fields. This is the most important part, so take a moment to line things up. Map your task name column to card title. Map a description column to card description for context. If you have a due date, map it to due date. Using a clear format like YYYYMMDD helps Trello recognize it. If you're assigning work, map assignee to members. Make sure those people are already members of the board so Trello can match them. If your spreadsheet includes a list name column, map it to the list selector so each row can land in the right list automatically. Otherwise, you can choose one destination list for everything in the next step. Choose where the import should go. Confirm which list you want to use if you didn't map a list column and decide whether each row should become a new card, which is the usual choice. If you're using labels, members, or checklists from your CSV, map those fields now so Trello applies them as the cards are created. For labels, it helps if the label names already exist on the board. You can create any missing ones beforehand to avoid mismatches. When everything looks right, click Import. Trello will create the cards instantly based on your mappings. Review a few cards to make sure titles, descriptions, due dates, members, and lists landed as expected. If something looks off, adjust your CSV or the mappings and run the import again. Keeping a backup of your original CSV makes tweaks quick and low risk. That's it. You've uploaded your CSV or Excel data into Trello, turning rows into organized cards in just a few minutes. Pause and rewind as needed while you follow along, and you'll have a clean, accurate import every time.